Hi everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks so much for subscribing and being here with me today. So today I have a fun crafty layout that we're going to be doing, and we're going to be using the Clear Scraps Shaker Heart. And y'all, this is so stinking cute. Can't wait to use it. So here we go. Here's the Shaker Heart. And I had the link down below for you so you can grab one of these, and I am super excited to use this. So I'll be using this, and along with this super cute little heart arrow, and I'll have the link down below for you. In addition to that, we're going to be using the Simple Stories page kit, and this is All My Love. Now, this is an old one that I bought from Tuesday Morning a while back, and I thought we would go ahead and use this cute little heart stencil on there. So I'm super excited to use this and see how this turns out. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the stencil and we're just going to put it up in the right hand corner here. And I'm kind of angling it a little bit to where, it comes off as a arrow shooting off. And I just love the hearts on this arrow. I think it is so cute. So I'm taping it down right now. Next, what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my Catherine Pooler ink that is Party Dress, and I'm just going lightly over the hearts. Now, I didn't go really heavy-handed over the hearts. I really wanted a light, kind of faded look to the hearts, so that's what I did. And then I just went ahead and pulled off the stencil. Next, I just went ahead and I grabbed one of the perforated pieces from the kit, and I'm just inking the edges of that. And next, I'm just going to go ahead and lay that down right on top of the 12 by 12 sheet. Now this piece is one of the pieces that come in the kit. This is your photo mat, and I am not quite sure on the measurements. I think it's like 6¼ by 4½, pretty good size. And then here is a little journaling card that is from the perforated sheet as well, and I just went ahead and laid that down. And then next I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the cute little elements that come in this kit. Okay, so the next part, I'm just going to go ahead and add this little sloth to the little page here. And I'm going to go ahead and pop him up, so I'm adding some foam tape to the back of him. And I just love adding foam tape to my chipboard pieces. I think they're so cute. And so he's just going to hang right there. That little piece is going to go down there below. Or I'm sorry, it's not. It's going to go right up above in that corner there. And then I added some little tiny hearts to the where the arrow was, just to give it a little bit of color in there. And so I added some little pink and green hearts to that arrow. For my sentiment that says all my heart, I went ahead again and added some foam tape to the back of that, just so it would give it a little bit of a dimension, and just added that to the bottom. And then I went ahead and I think it needed something more there, so I added a little heart to the bottom of the arrow, not directly but below, but a little bit below the arrow. I couldn't decide what to add there, so I went ahead and stuck down the flowers that I wanted to use. I really liked that corner piece right there. And then I went ahead and added some more flowers to the bottom corner. And then next we're going to go ahead and add our photo. And I just went ahead and placed tape on the back of my photo, added that on top of the red and white photo mats that I had laid down. And then here I'm just going to go ahead and I'm writing in February of 2023. And that is my granddaughter Remedy. And I helped her make her little Valentine's box for her classroom this year. So we are done. Now with our second page, we're going to use this heart shaker. And so with the heart shaker, I am just going to go ahead and paint this, and you get 3 pieces, okay? So these 2 pieces are going to go ahead and get attached. So when you get your packet, you'll get 3 frames, okay? And these are the 3 heart frames. 2 of them you will go ahead and attach together. The other one is going to be lay on the front of the acetate to create your shaker, okay? So now I am grabbing my heart acetate piece, and I went ahead and took off the film on both sides of that heart. Next, you're going to go ahead and lay that heart on top of the heart frames. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and adhere that down. Next, I went ahead and I grabbed the piece that I wanted to put on the back of the large heart, and I just went ahead and cut it out. I thought these heart balloons would look super cute on the inside of our shaker. So next I'm going to go ahead and adhere that pattern paper to the heart, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess paper that is around the heart off. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint the front of this heart. Now, this is the front frame that's going to go on top of the acetate, okay? And I did go ahead and apply about 3 coats to the top of the heart. So that way I would go ahead and get the shade of pink that I wanted. So once you are done painting your heart, then you're going to go ahead and adhere that on top of the acetate that we've already adhered on top of the other 2 heart frames. So now we're almost ready to put our shaker together. Alrighty, so it is time to add our shaker bits. And I went ahead and placed some shaker bits right in the middle of that large heart that we adhered the pattern paper to. And then you're going to go ahead and adhere your framed heart on top of that, okay? And it's just going to go ahead and adhere down right like that. Just going to match up the edges there and go ahead and burnish that down. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our stencil heart, our arrow heart stencil. And we're going to go ahead and just kind of use the stencil all over the 12 by 12 page here. I'm not really doing the heart, the arrow heart per se. I'm just kind of using the hearts that are in the stencil to go ahead and add some hearts to the page. So I really like how that looks. And yeah, I think it looks fantastic. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab the word love, and I'm just placing that down. Okay, now this word actually comes from the kit. Okay, so you get the word love, you get lots of different little ephemera pieces and other things. I went ahead and grabbed our shaker heart and stuck that right up there in the left-hand corner. And then I wanted that big envelope piece to go down right below the L, but it was too big and I just didn't think it looked right. So I went ahead and stuck that little circle with flowers on top. And again, I went ahead and grabbed all my and stuck some foam tape on the back of that and just placed that up on top as my sentiment. So the next thing I did is I went ahead and added my photo mats right down below there. I'm adding on the heart shaker, and I'm just sticking everything down now. And I just think it looks so cute. You guys, I love the stenciled hearts all over the page. I really think it adds a lot of just colorfulness, and it just adds a really cool background to the page. So next we're going to go ahead and I'm going to add some other things. I went ahead and cut out that little envelope. I'm sticking some foam tape down on top of that, and then that's going to go right there at the bottom. And I just think this page is so cute. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out my little photos of my grandkids, and that is what's going to go in the photo mats right in the middle of the page there. And I just did just a couple of different ones, and I figured since Remini had a page to herself, I figured the other four need to be on another page. So, yeah, so I think it looked really cute. So I went ahead and just stuck their photos down here. Again, I just grabbed my tape, okay, my double back tape, and I placed it on top of the photos. I don't place glue on my photos. I just place the double back tape on them. And then that is how my photos are going to go down, just like that. And that one was a little bit too long, so I went ahead and just kind of snipped off the edge there. And yeah, so, and I think all of them were just a little bit too long, but it worked. So, and there we go. So it's going to be so cute. So I just absolutely love how this page turned out with the little photos and everything. So stinking cute. I hope you guys are enjoying this short tutorial, and it gives you some inspiration to do some uh, layouts for your Valentine's Day that's coming up. I know that Christmas is not here yet, but you know, we got to get ready, right, for the next holiday.
Okay, so here is the finished layouts we just did using this heart arrow stencil, okay? And we went ahead and I put it here, and then I went ahead and put it sporadically throughout this page, and I think it looks so cute. So, and then we used the shaker heart, and it is up here in this corner, and I just think it looks so cute. I absolutely love putting these shakers on my layouts. I think it just adds a lot of character, fun, and yeah, just a nice embellishment for for your layout pages. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you liked today's project, and I have all of the links down below for the items that I used in this project. Thank you so much for joining me, y'all. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please head over to Clear Scraps and check out their shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming videos, tutorials, YouTube hops, and my live shows, 4:30 on Fridays Central Time.